So I got this great big package of cool stuff from Qubits. And if you've never heard of Qubits, it's spelled Qubits. They make a flexible STEM building toys. And I can't wait to see what Mark sent me. Looks like some amazing stuff. There's kind of what they look like. There's a couple pieces already put together. That's pretty cool. Just definitely great for building some bridges. Oh, this is cool. That's amazing. So the ability to make stuff for geometry class or science class to replicate a molecule or an atom. Some of these black pieces are actually made from the cast-offs, the error ones from the different colors, because they regrind those and then all those colors kind of mix together and make the black pieces, which is really cool. Recycling, great lesson for our kids. Looks like this is a STEM building set, just a basic set. That'd be really cool, great for a giveaway for a kid in your classroom, or maybe get a few of these so that you have them to be able to use in your classroom. But definitely to share those with the other teachers in your school. Don't just hide them all in a closet or a cabinet, but get those in a bin. Some project ideas in some little booklets here. And, oh wow, look at some of the amazing towers and the ways they click together. They're a snap to click together. So, oh, okay, so here we go. There's just a little bump thing right there, and that fits right inside that hexagon hole right there. So that just fits together. Simple as that. Click, pop, and because they're made out of the basic triangle shape that turns into a hexagon, perfect. And looks like these are some different style of pieces that allow. Looks like also, wow, this must be a bigger set, 100-piece STEM kit. So definitely you could imagine the possibilities are endless. Love that they're made in the USA. I can't wait to be building some stuff. I'm gonna be building, ooh, those might even be glow in the dark. Get some Qubits, Qubits. I know I'm gonna have a great time, and I can't wait to take them to my classroom too. Those kids are gonna love building and creating and learning with these.